Yo, what's going on, my heroes, my villains, my fellow card collectors, and everybody else on YouTube? It is I, the Gale, back at it again with another hero tutorial video. Ooh. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to KYC on the hero real quick. So basically, you're going to log into the hero website or app. You're going to go to your settings, user settings. You should know where to find that. It's where your profile picture is in the top corner, or it's or the menu button. And then you're going to go here and it's going to say enable KYC, which you click on that and you verify that you're human, right? You click all these cactuses right here, cacti. Okay, continue. So you're going to enter all this in, all your information, your first name, last name, your address, zip code, city, country, and then you're going to verify your identity. They may ask for some pictures, maybe a driver's license or a passport type deal. You enter that in, and that should be that. And then you come down here and you do the two-factor authentication. So you click right under enable KYC, you click manage two-factor authentication. You hit that. It's gonna say two-factor authentication helps secure your account when enabled. You will have to confirm any login with a 6-digit code sent to your mobile Authenticator app. So you click enable. All right, so now you get a QR code, or you have or you get to enter a code, right? So you're gonna want to copy this back up just in case you mess up on your Authenticator, or whatever, or lose. Basically, you just want this code as a backup, so put this somewhere safe just in case you need to reset your Authenticator. So it says open Authenticator, so let's click that. Okay, so there's a couple authenticators. You got your Google Authenticator, and then you got your, I think this is Microsoft over here. I prefer Google Authenticator, so we'll click this and we'll go just once. So now we're gonna open up the Google Authenticator, and it's gonna ask you to save key for your account, and you hit OK, and then it's gonna bring you to, this is your code right here, right? So like every, I think is maybe like 20 or 30 seconds, this code is gonna change, and you need to copy and paste this code, and then you're gonna enter it right here. You're gonna enter it right here, paste. So that's basically how you set it up. And then every time you log in, you're gonna need to come back to the Authenticator app, which is the Google Authenticator in this case. You're gonna have to come back here, copy and paste, and then paste the current code to log in. So that's basically how you do it. You just got to download either Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator and set it up that way. So that's basically it in a nutshell. Not too complicated. So yeah, with that, let's move on.